Welcome to our webinar entitled Unleashing Network Capabilities with 5G Advanced in Asia.
Welcome to this webinar. We're going to have a chat about the abilities and capabilities of advanced 5G and what it means to the Asian operators. As
I'm in Telenor, we are also following the Nordic. In DNA means Finland, Telenor Finland, we say DNA. There we have already tried with this 5.5G or advanced 5G to get this 10 times speed and connectivity, and also connecting with the 10 times IoT systems and devices. But it started only, as I mentioned, and we'll take this experience from Nordic to Asia very soon. So we are trying to understand their pain point and try to solve their issues through this 5G and 5G Advanced. So it is not mandatory that we have to jump onto 5G Advanced immediately, but definitely this is a path we have to follow. And in a couple of years, we'll be matured enough to drive that one.
And when we talk about this technology advancement that coming to the enhance the device experience and also the unlock the network efficiency, the new system capability. And if we are, let's say, if we are focused on the comparing the traditional 4G, 5G with the 5G Advanced, and we know that it will be more and more to enhance the radio performance to be the new level. And we talk about the IoT advancement and expansion, that we know that from the this capability for the IoT devices efficiency from the low tier and the mid tier for the IoT device and services. I think this is something that we are trusted, like what Shibli mentioning. At the end of the day, the business enterprise itself will be pushing a lot to use this 5G capability. Yeah, David, thanks.
As I speak to a lot of enterprise executive, I realize that what they need is not extreme high bandwidth or even latency performance. In fact, you see the Port of Singapore Authority (PSA), which is one of the busiest ports in the world, who have hundreds or coming to thousands of AGV that runs around the port. The bandwidth consumption is not significant compared to a lot of other video applications. But what is important is the consistent performance wherever they are at whichever corner of the port. And the guaranteed quality of service is what matters to them. Still, some of the shortfall and lacking in current 5G, for example, in terms of the uplink speed, is something that many of the enterprise has higher demand on. So there's also enhanced coverage and MIMO performance. These are all good enhancement to complement what is already working in 5G network slicing. I think what 5G bring about and 5G slicing, network slicing bring about is beyond economy of scale, it bring in economy of scope.
Spectrum, I think, is an important play apart from others. Others are controllable. I mean something that the operator can control in terms of investment towards 5.5G, as I say, on the radio or on migration or upgrading the network from one release to the next release that cover 5.5G. 5.5G will come to play, and then that will bring the network becoming more and more resilient and as well as reliable per se. And I think one of the things that we are looking forward as well for 5.5G is about passive IoT.